Hello. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a manufacturing order from the short inventory planner. On the left here, you can see all of the items that require to be either purchased or manufactured. You could tell which ones are manufactured by the flask to the right here. Manufactured item, manufactured item, manufactured item, manufactured item. We are going to select the C40-300 item here for manufacturing. Here we have 0 available. There are 8 on a sales order. There's nothing on a purchase order. There's nothing on the manufacturing order. So we are short by 8 and we require to order 8 to fill that demand. Right on the short inventory planner itself here, you can change that order quantity to increase it if you would like to have more than the current demand, or leave it at the equal to the demand. Select the item you would like to create a manufacturing order for. Create batch MO. Here it's going to ask you to create the manufacturing orders. You do have the ability to select multiple items and create them all at once. For this purpose here, we're just going to create the one MO. Manufacturing item is here. The manufacturing store is auto select based on the default setting. Manufacturer quantity here is 8, and again here we can change this quantity if we'd like to increase it to have more than the current demand. The scheduled manufacturing date default is to the date that you are creating the manufacturing order. Auto release order is set to default here to release the order. You have the ability to assign this to specific people within the Xorosoft ERP system. We can also have this to auto produce if we like. We can also create a batch MO, which would be discussed in a later training session, and then the generate batch MO per base part, which is again discussed in a later training session. So I'm going to go select OK, and now we have our MO 404. I'm going to click OK, and that should refresh the screen. And what you can see now is that item is now off the short inventory planner.